Hi, I'm Mike Mikeworth with Venture Call, and I'm out here at the Marriott Courtyard and Town Place, and we're going to be holding an event out here in June that I want to tell you about. It's called the Business Clinic. And the Business Clinic, as we think about our businesses and the enterprises that we're engaged in, we need to think of them a little bit more organically. Most of the time we talk about business in organizational terms, but organically we need to look at the lifeblood of the business, and we need to tend to the business much like we would tend to our own physiology or our own biology, because a business can be a growing concern, and that's what we all want to have from our businesses, our nonprofits, the enterprises that we're engaged in. So let me take you inside and show you where we're going to be, and hopefully you'll be able to join us in June for the Business Clinic. So here we are inside of the Courtyard Marriott, and as you can see as we're walking through, here's the bistro that they have, and they actually serve Starbucks coffee. So this is going to be something that a lot of you are right at home, and as we walk through this foyer area, kind of pan off into here, and there's a great place where we might even have breakout groups and be able to talk about our business plans together and what the next steps are. And I guarantee you that with all the people that will be coming and with the mentors that we're going to have here, you're going to be able to have fresh ideas floating around, and there's going to be people talking from experience about what they've been able to do with their businesses. So as we kind of go ahead and walk our way down through here, I'm going to take you to the classroom that we're going to be in. And in the classroom here, we're actually going to have the overhead projection where I'm going to be putting up the Kauffman Fasttrac program that everybody's going to be engaged in. And you're also going to be able to bring your own laptops, your iPads, hook up to the Wi-Fi situation, and be able to walk through this curriculum from Kauffman Fasttrac to really enhance your experience. And it's going to be mixed also with guest speakers and other business coaches kind of helping us along as we start talking about how can we market our businesses better, how can we meet the competition, about the competitive edge that you need to have in your business or your enterprise. That's really going to be a lot of the topic of what we're going to be talking about when we come together. One of the neat features here at the Courtyard, of course, is the Courtyard. And as we have our class and we have our breaks, just outside of our classroom, you can see there's seating out here, comfortable seating, where we can even do breakouts and enhance discussion between business owners. And it's surprising what we don't know that we can learn from one another. And that's one of the beauties of this whole curriculum. You get the content of the curriculum, but you get the experience of all the people that are going to be here as well. And so this is just a nice setting for us to be able to take advantage of. And the whole event is going to be held on June 17th and 18th. And you may say, well, it's a little bit strange that it's going to start on a Sunday. But it's going to start on a Sunday afternoon at 1 o'clock, and we're going to have three 3-hour sessions beginning Sunday afternoon. One session from 1 to 4. Then we're going to break for dinner, an early dinner, and there's plenty of eating places around here, or even the bistro. And then from 5 to 8, we'll do our second session. And then we'll come back Monday night, and Monday night from 6 to 9, we'll conclude the program. And that should give you a real running start on this whole program toward developing and enhancing your marketing and meeting the competition. Even for you business owners that have been in business for a while, there's always new technology and there's new competition. I'd really encourage you to take a look at that, because this is not just for startups or new stage businesses. And when you talk about nonprofit organizations, this is good for them as well. And let's build something that's really healthy here and help each other out as we develop our businesses and our enterprises.